And to all who are watching this video, happy holiday. This is John Vincent Ray Dagos Sadicon, a BSc student from National University. My next video is about promoting a certain product, just like what I did on IPSA. Have you ever experienced stomach acidity caused by drinking an ordinary coffee? Coffee which hampers your sleeping habits and brings you the feeling of inconvenience and a sense of being uncomfortable. If this is what you always feel, don't stick with your old one. Try Coffee Loco, a new generation of coffee brand which you will surely love. Coffee Loco is made from the finest seed of Coffea arabica and Coffea canephora, the two most leading coffee seeds imported from India and Saudi Arabia. Not only that it is affordable, but also, according to the research done by our manufacturers and researchers, Coffee Loco contains less antioxidants, meaning it is good for our health. It lessens the development of too much aging. It also lessens the development of developing cancer and liver cancer, and it is also good in different aspects of the health of an individual. So, don't hesitate to buy and to bring home Coffee Loco. Buy it now, only 25 pesos on leading stores nationwide. Again, trust our product. Drink Coffee Loco twice a day for you to live healthier and live longer. This is all.